would definitely recommend Digital Vidya to anyone who want to upscale in digital marketing. Hi, I'm Riddhi from Mumbai. I am a fresher. I have graduated recently, and during this graduation, I did internships in social media marketing. So due to this, I got a spark for digital marketing and wanted to grow my career in digital marketing. So I opted for digital marketing to upskill myself. I wanted for digital marketing course, and I have searched for many digital marketing training institutes, and there I found Digital Vidya. The assignments are explained very well during the sessions from the mentors. And they are quite easy and covers the knowledge that were acquired during the sessions or the modules. I did internships and capstone projects from with the Digital Vidya for social media marketing, performance marketing, which it helped me to upscale my career. Can I also can add this on CV, which will help me upgrade. Yes, it is a good career option for freshers, especially social media marketing. It is a growing field nowadays. Everybody is on social media. It is a growing career, and it also has a great scope in this, and you can upskill yourself and get into this career easily.
Great. And would you recommend Digital Vidya to any of the person?
I would definitely recommend Digital Vidya to anyone who want to upscale in digital marketing. It is flexible, supportive, gives you the enough knowledge you want. And yeah, it is a good institute to if you anybody wants to go for.